Hello guys, I'm not gonna tell my name then, but I promise y'all I completed God in Bap Pro. Can others do this? Like I completed it. Oh my god! I completed Bap Pro's God in NPHG. Maybe I was just lucky that time, but I can't really reveal anything in here. I can't really do anything in here. Like I can't. Like I can't, man. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. I can't do anything to rebuild it. Really can't do anything. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what this exactly is. Good. Good. What did you do? Oh frick. I always get this so wrong. Oh my god. Go fuck. I'm gonna go fuck. I'm a prove y'all that I can complete God in Bapro, promise. I promise y'all. Oh man, I've done both. Oh, fingers crossed I can do this. Oh, I'm not really fingers crossing because I'm on mobile. Because I'm charging. First level completed. Oh my god, I need to reset this. I need to reset this.
Heartbreaking losses, pero today, based on the partial unofficial count, you are
oh my.
Para sa'yo, what does this mean about the electorate? Ano yung mga nagbago at bakit tayo nakakamit ng ganyang klaseng pwesto sa bilangan? May palala.
Oh my god. I promise you, I ain't lying. I ain't yapping. Please, I'm not flexing. I'm not lying. I'm more likely telling the truth, man. I've done it like... Okay, I can't. Maybe like... How is there so much players? I'm not even... Justy? Wait, ain't no way, man. Wait. Justy, hello, Wells? Justy? I'm not even online. Okay, it's because of my data. Okay, so I'm gonna join a server and see if my data, if I still have data. Yes, I joined room 40999 and there's no another Justy. They're fake. Of course they're fake. LOL, Justy. And they just be going, oh, yes, I know this. I don't even have the data. I need to get some. How do we get teleported anyways? So I need I wanna get this completed again. I want this to get completed again. Completed again. Oh my god, I kept losing. I won't give up. I want to show you guys the truth. And I'm not lying, y'all. Ooh, first spot's done. Oh my god. And I'm gonna do the first part done. Like, oh my god. The first part done, like, I can, but I kept falling. Man. Okay, let's try to noob, to pro, to hacker, and to hacker, to god. It is a final boss. I'm recording this. I'm trying to get
balik-balik to. Ako na ito.
Oh my God.
Ito na lang ang nirekomenda ko ay dual succession, laban sa pingil ng ngipin, at cavities. Alam kong epektibo.
I'm not flexing. So I can do this. I'm trying to get those speeds. Okay. Yes! But the 8, even though my best is 21.8 feet down. Yo, what? I didn't even realize this. Okay, so okay, pro is not that hard actually. But I'm actually getting so good. This is actually pretty hard, but it's not that hard. It's not that hard if you're pro at this game. I'm not usually a pro. Oops. Oh my god, I'm a pro. No, maybe I'm not. Oh, yes, I can do this. I can literally do it. Wait, what is my last one? Okay, hacker time. Ooh, to my way. My last one was 33 minutes or second. I don't know, second.
McDonald's trained me and gave me opportunities. I can be the best version of myself.
From the #1 multivitamin brand, Centrum Kids Gummies.
Oh my god.
Multivitamin gummies full of nutrients for growing kids.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, retry. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. A, B, C, D, E. Oh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm having problems. Huh? I'm having some problem. Ayan, yan, hirap kami mag-grow Ante naman kasi ito mag-grow a garden na yan, grow a garden. Naglalaro ako grow a garden, guys.
For Vice Mayor naman Lovero Inoy, 121,529. Pwede Velia Calao, 133,860. For Representative Road District of Bacolod City, Macapuso, Aman Roger, 1,389. Benitez, RD, 149,820. Gulmanico Ed, 1,514. Gustulo Ron, 271. Business Synergia, 108,668. Sa Bacolod City Police Office ay nag-schedule people ang election 2025 na maliban na lang sa natutong dalawang kataon sinuli sa barangay Malpinas at barangay Bacolod City dahil
get fooled us. Let's get it fooled us. Let's get it fooled us. You guys see, I can do it. I'm the best one is I can do it.
Adrian, may nakikita kami dyan sa likuran mo, mga taong
But yep, I've done. God, this ain't no Photoshop, please. I'm not